Ikon is pleased to be partnering with the School of Social Policy at the University of Birmingham and rights-based charity Changing Our Lives to raise awareness of their research into the 2,000 people with learning disabilities and/or autism who are stuck in UK hospitals for years, in some cases decades, far away from their families. Together we have commissioned Birmingham artist and activist Foka Wolf to create an artwork for installation at Ikon Gallery and The Exchange and across billboards in the city. Here in Birmingham, it's while you're getting the bus to work or walking to school that you'll spot a Foka Wolf poster, which has suddenly appeared overnight. In these, he will subvert the messaging of a corporate advert, making you laugh, but also exposing an underlying truth about our society and how the basic needs of our community are not being met.
My name's John Glasby. I'm a social worker by background and I work at the University of Birmingham. There's about 2,000 people with learning disabilities or autistic people living in long-stay hospitals in England, sometimes for many years on end, stuck and unable to come out and lead more ordinary lives in the community. For the last 2 years, we've been working with our partner, Changing Our Lives, to carry out a national research study to try and understand the experiences of people in hospital and some of the ways that they think they could be supported to come out, drawing on the lived experience of people themselves and their families and the practice knowledge of health and social care staff. A lot of the project has been about understanding the experiences and the stories of people with learning disabilities and trying to find ways to amplify their voices so that their expertise by experience is seen as part of the solution to this really difficult and unacceptable policy problem. That's why we've been working with partners at the Ikon and with Foka Wolf to try and hear and amplify those voices.
My name's Lucy Dunstan and I'm Deputy Chief Executive Officer at Changing Our Lives. We're a rights-based organisation and we work alongside disabled people and people with lived experience of mental health difficulties to find solutions to social injustice and health inequality. We work alongside people every day who are stuck in hospital, working with them to help to understand them, to understand their needs, to challenge the systems that are keeping them in there, to challenge professionals who are a part of that system, and to ensure that people can move out and live ordinary lives. As an organisation, we work with people who are from marginalised communities, people from minority ethnic communities, people with profound and multiple learning disabilities, and people who are stuck in hospital whose basic rights aren't being met. And it's the effects of that we see every day. That's why we're working on this project with the university, to ensure that the same things aren't happening again and again in decades to come.
I'm Foka Wolf and I'm very happy to be part of this installation, and I was happy to be chosen for this project by Changing Our Lives and the University of Birmingham. When they told me about some of the stories about people trapped in social care, I was sort of a bit gobsmacked, and I felt a bit naive that I didn't really know about any of this stuff, and I thought that if I didn't know about it, probably a lot of other people don't know about it. So with this piece of work, I've tried to create something that's more of a spectacle, something that people will share and take photos of, and it's probably less about the art and more about the message. So you know, when you go and see the exhibition, or if you've seen it already, can you please just share and get this message out there that these people are trapped. A lot of people don't really know this, and I think this is the perfect opportunity to sort of spread this message.